What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. We going fishing today again. I know last video gonna be a little short. We ain't catch nothing. I was sick. I had the flu. So, you know, that was just a, you know what I'm saying? That was just a video, basically like a little vlog. We ain't catch nothing last time. Had to cut it short.
I just had some right now.
I'm here with my boy, Ilion.
Yep.
You know Hollywood Ilion.
You already know who it is. Look, Hollywood D.
You already know, you feel me? So,
you know what I mean?
I don't know if we doing no challenge today. We just gonna see who get the biggest fish, I guess, you know? So, I'm gonna cut back in when somebody got some. Today we are set up there. We all using worms right now. Denim got him a rod right now. Remember last video, he broke it.
Snap my rod.
I don't know if I got that on camera though.
No?
What? He thought he had one.
Sure did.
They bit it. They had it, but they spit it out. All right, YouTube, we back. I tried something new. I got the head set up on right now. I just cut my finger, if y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see it, but we still out here fishing. We finna see if we can catch anything else. I mean, catch anything at all. We seen a couple bass swim by though.
Bait it down here.
Did them hold the bag, please?
And then from there we go to the other side.
All right. I was thinking that too, bro.
Like this look like some snakehead environment too.
For real, all this grass right here, definitely. And snakehead be biting what, salt water?
Snakehead's got it in his lake.
If we had some frogs, bro. What the freak was that? I want to go fish in some brackish water though. You know what I want to fish at? You know that it's a canal.
I'm trying to hit the mangrove.
Oh yeah, for some tarpon and snook. I want a snook. I want a snook, boy.
Kayak.
Oh, I thought I had some.
Maybe I want to switch to some green one.
Yeah. I might switch, bro. I feel like the pink just not hitting. I mean, but you had got a bite on one though.
Oh, really?
What's that?
That was my worm. No, I was talking to Ilion.
Catch one right here. There's a tiny little bass right here.
You know what I ain't never seen, bro? A gator in real life, bro. So all the fish, yeah.
Oh, I gotta show you, bro.
And all the fish we be fishing so much. Yeah.
Caught so much.
Oh my bad.
Oh,
I got you.
Yeah,
My bad.
what's it called? Yeah. What's it called? I went under this bridge. Well, first I was fishing in this pond.
Yeah.
Caught a few bass, a whole bunch of bass. There was gators in it. And then under this bridge, 2 schools of big peacock and bass. Like, if I had shiners, I would catch them back to back. But I caught a big old bass. Like, that's huge. Like,
Wait, what bridge?
in Weston. I go over there to get my bracelet done. But I went with my big cousin. You know all the spots, bro. I posted us. You know?
Oh yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, you know all the spots.
Miami, it really be hitting. That water so brackish over there, bro.
Weston is just like Miami. There's so much peacock over there too. And it's like the peacock over there got the Amazon colors. Like,
oh,
you know, the
that vibrant, yeah.
They got them colors, bro. You know what I did? There was so much fish under that bridge. I had a jerk bait. I put my rod in the water and I was swerving it, right?
Oh, you did.
Back to back.
Oh, you did that the eight method.
Yeah. I didn't think it was gonna work. But you know what? I'm gonna try it.
If I see some peacock,
Back to back like that.
yeah, if I see some peacock, I'm gonna pull out the jerk bait. I'm gonna pull out the jerk bait. Man, you know what do be hitting though? Them golf courses. Them golf courses be hitting. I thought I had one.
Right here, that looks so good.
Yeah. Bro, that's what we need to. I need to get braid, bro.
Yeah, you do. Nah, get a new reel.
Yeah, that too. I low-key got the money to go get one of them things you got right now.
You didn't even need a good combo for real.
You think a wacky rig will hit? You see one? I see bass on the other side over there. Oh! I see bass over there. That was a bad cast. Where am I? Right there. Bro, over there, I see a bass over there. Right across from me.
See a peacock right there?
No, across like, oh.
Right here though. Peacock. See swimming that way?
I don't see it.
It's the sun. I need the sun to come back up. You can buy some polarized glass.
Right there. Ooh, right there, right there, right there. They look, I think something look.
Let it drop down and then twitch it. And then keep doing that.
No, we almost there, bro. We gotta give some time. Right here. Oh, I see him. I see him. I see a peacock right here. If you come across, he right here. Oh, he finna eat that. Come on, come on, come on, come on, bite it. Did he look? Oh, he ain't even look.
Look, he just swimming in his face.
For real. Why leave his out alone? That be them stubborn ones, bro.
Look, Mom. He just swimming in his face. What are you doing right now?
It's like you got convinced that, yeah. Oh my God, you see that right there? What that is? Oh, he went to it. He going to it. What is that? You see it? Is that a peacock?
Where?
Oh, up there, up top, up top, up top. Then him just threw at it.
Oh, I see it. Looks like a dog. That's a tilapia.
Oh.
My God, damn.
Trying to catch some, bro. It be hella peacock on this side though. Under them trees. You ever seen a snake? What type of snake?
Like a wild snake? Or?
Yeah, wild snake.
Yeah.
What type of snake you usually be? She does? How big?
They're kind of big.
If it get too big, she need to throw that, kill us, bro.
Yeah, kill them?
Kill it. You're not supposed to release them. They invasive.
Yeah, it's illegal. They're invasive.
Man, this about to make me throw on a new bait, bro.
Huh?
Feel like this pink not hitting. Oh, you about this? Okay. Come on, man. We need to get on the board today, bro. Damn, bro. Where the bass at? It's tight. Oh, you don't got stuck?
Yeah.
What that is back there? Something just blew up back there.
Yeah, I seen it.
You got a fish?
No.
Huh?
Crab. On it.
Damn, bro. It bit at it, but it ain't chomp it. I had to throw a jerk bait at it. Huh? Let me see. I don't know. So at least one of us catch one? Well, a bigger one?
We go back that way, Carl. We're gonna catch hella big shit.
Chill, we on camera still, bro.
That's where all the big daddies are.
Bro, we're on camera, bro. I got one. Oh, I knew I felt him. I was like, yo, what just tugged me? Oh, he beautiful. Is this a peacock? Oh, yeah, it is. Ooh. On camera, little buddy. Come on. Dang, little buddy, I messed you up.
Yeah, man. I'm finna catch me one.
Yeah, I'm trying to get this hook out of him. Yeah. Bro, I'm trying to get this hook out of him, bro. Sorry, little buddy. I ain't mean to mess you up like that. Oh! That boy done dropped out my hand. Look.
Put on the whole worm?
Yeah. Boom. Oh, he got stuck. I should have thrown him further. Hold on.
Nigga, don't use the pole. Nigga, go down there.
Bro, he deep in there.
Where he got stuck at?
I don't know. Oh, he right there. Hold on, I gotta use the pole, bro. Help him out. Where you at? I forgot where he at. You saw me down here, right here.
Oh, he right up.
There we go.
He got stuck again.
Help is a little behind out. I'm gonna throw him further next time. I didn't think he would have got stuck. He probably out now. I'm gonna throw him further next time. All this stuff right here. Well, I don't even know if I fixed my worm.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm not leaving without checking the fish.
Cam, I seen him come up. I'm like, oh snap, I got one. I felt something. I'm like, bro, there's no grass right there. Then I just seen his color. Wait, the wind is cooking me right now. Hey, bro, I know, but we gotta go back that way, bro. I know some big ones I can catch, bro. We gotta catch a big one like Ilion caught that 5-pounder last time.
I seen that thing blowing up on bait. I threw it once it dropped in the water.
Thought I had something. I ain't want the wind to mess up my cast, bro. But they definitely out there. And then you forgot to show the camera when you took them off.
Throw it out.
That boy so hot. I had one. Yeah, that's grass. Dang, this grass keep messing up my worm, bro. Bro, y'all remember last time we said that's where them peacock be at?
Don't follow me.
I'm coming with you. I told you, I'm fishing around you the whole time.
Don't follow me. Alright, chat, so look. I'm not having a camera at me. I'm gonna start the show. So like I said, right?
Alright.
I'm not having a good luck right now, not the best of luck, but like once I warm up, got y'all boy.
Guys, he has to hit his takeover first, yo.
I gotta hit takeover, bro. I'm right here with
Bro, you cold right now. You're cold right now.
You still not gonna catch.
You cold right now.
How much I want to back catch him right here on this cast?
Alright.
I hope you do, bro.
I'm gonna sit back. Go ahead. Oh, what was that?
Real bad. Something, bro. You get signers? That boy Denim go catch all the... He might not even catch him with him.
He trying to...
Cut the camera.
I was about to say, he trying to fish this cast so slow. He trying to fish this cast so slow, bro.
Cut the camera.
I ain't cutting nothing.
Oh,
I ain't cutting...
will you?
I ain't cutting nothing, bro.
Oh, fair.
You told him you was catching something in this cast, bro. Your thing's still in the water. It look like he got one, low key.
Yeah.
Oh no. It's alright, D.
Cut the camera.
It's been a long day before D caught a fish. I'ma tell you all about it after this.
Yeah, after this. Keep cutting it.
He over there. He over there. I seen him. He's over there. He's right there. You see him in the sun? He's over there. As soon as my bait came off the grass, I seen him spinning around in circles. He crazy. He want it. He wants it, bro. I'm telling you. We gotta stay. Let's stay off the. I don't want him to see us. That's probably why he went in last time.
feel like more peacock.
Huh?
I feel like I caught that nigga before. Can't see shit, so I don't think he's here.
I'm telling you, I just seen him earlier. He right there, you see him?
Oh, shit. Hold on,
Oh, my bad, my bad.
I don't want him to mess up my worm, cuz.
You can take my shit.
Wrong spot, then
You know what I feel like? I feel like the weight is messing me up a little bit.
oh, it's 3.
It's 3?
Oh, it's 2, it's 2.
Oh, they finna bite that. You kept the weight on? You kept the weight on?
Oh, God.
Oh, they finna bite it. He finna bite that. You kept the weight on? Yeah, you did. I want the mama. Come on. I just want one of them. He went in that back in that grass.
I see nothing. Oh, he went for my shit.
Oh! Oh! I'm throwing my white one on. I knew I wasn't tripping. I should have threw my white one on. I should have. I should have threw my white one on. Please. Hold on. Oh my God, he's huge. Don't get stuck. Ilion, don't lose him. Ilion, don't lose him. Ilion, don't lose him. Ilion, don't lose him. Oh, he like 3 pounds. I mean, he like 5 pounds. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Yes.
Oh my goodness.
He's huge.
Oh my God.
He's huge. I should have threw my white one on when I said I was gonna do it. He is huge. Put him in the camera. Put him in the camera. Put him in the camera, Leon. Oh my gosh, he's so pretty. Hold on, let me make sure I'm getting it on camera right. Dang. All right, we gotta get the release. We gotta get the release.
Take a picture from you.
Hold on, we finna get the water release. We finna get the water release. Yeah, he gonna get him. He gonna get him. I'm gonna put it in the water. I'm gonna put it in the water.
Look, you can get one cast, man. After I seen that big ass bass, I was like, yeah.
I don't like how this duck looking at me, bro. Yeah, I'm talking about you. The hell? What you looking, bro? You don't want to smoke with me, bro. Telling you, you don't. Telling you, you don't. Yo, you better walk away, nigga. I don't play that. You got the big one? Oh my gosh! There's a peacock? No, a bass.
Nice little long.
That boy just said it. I threw my worm on because, you know, one more cast. Put it on the camera, boy. Should have it.
Nice little bass on the green worm. Telling you again, thing tough. Them green worms get put to work.
To work. This man just called one. We about to go to a new spot. And he look big. This might be big.
Hey, tiny.
The way you was
Yo,
really that nigga.
Cool. I think it could have had a whole lot of seaweed on it, bro.
Dang, you messed him up with that hook.
I hooked him right in the side of the face, bro.
All right, I'm throwing on the worm at the next spot. What do you think, worm or fluke in that spot?
It don't really matter for over there's bass and peacock.
All right, bet. All right, we going. Come on. I'm gonna go get the car. We pulled up to a new spot. So they said they see 2 peacock. Oh, he got one. Oh my God! As soon as I said it, oh my gosh. The other one still there?
Yeah.
It's in his hole? Is it in the hole? Huh?
Hey, Ilya,
Oh my God, he right here.
Ilya, I lost him.
Huh?
I lost him.
He ran out. Ilion, the one I was trying to catch ran out.
Look at that shit, bro.
Oh, he right here.
Nah, Peacock Bass. Yeah.
He bit at it. Hold on, I got it.
Yeah.
No, catch release.
I caught a big one earlier. Show the camera, son.
Hold on. Ooh, that thing pretty. It's right. It's looking at my. Hold on, let me catch him, bro.
I'm about to take your fish. Here, Denim. Got you. Then this thing took the whole tail.
He keep running, bro. Then I'm scaring my fish.
All right, I don't care. Let me see.
Denim, I got you, gang. Watch that. You put it right there, bro. But take it to the undercast.
Hold on. You use worm or white?
Don't get it stuck now. Oh, he
He
just
eating it.
got
Ilion, chill. Ilion, chill.
Get that nigga fish, bro.
Oh, he playing.
He not fully eating it. Ilion, you take my fish, we gonna have a problem.
Nah, damn, go take it. I'm getting it down.
That's the only reason why he's saying take that nigga fish, bro.
I don't see him.
Me either.
I gotta wait for him to come back.
I'm about to go find some
wait,
more.
Dano, he just had it.
Oh, he right here.
Wait, how the fuck he got back under there?
That's what I'm saying. He must be swimming under the rock.
Watch out, Dano. I got you, gang. Don't mess up my worm. I only got like 5 left.
Yeah, I know he's swimming this way, right?
Nigga, I just said don't mess up my worm, bro. I got you. I'm gonna give you the fucking shit. Oh, I just had him.
Yeah, he bit you.
I just had him. Hold on.
Bro, he playing. He just nibbling at it. He ain't even. He ain't for real.
Bro.
God damn, that's what he did?
Yeah.
Oh my God, he playing.
Nigga, Dano, don't listen, bro. I said I got you, bro. What's wrong with you?
I feel him.
No, that's not the only fucking.
I feel him. Yo, he's striking it, bro.
He's walking down, but when you walk down, throw it along the shit.
What you got on?
Oh,
Chatterbait.
oh, that boy know what he doing.
That shit look wrong side.
All right, we back at another little spot. Ilion brother done put up ant. You know what I'm saying? Hollywood ant. Hollywood ant.
I told you, bro.
I'm on? Hold on. No, I thought I was on. I got stuck. I'm stuck on weeds. Come out. No, he ain't catching out all day. Let him get it, bro.
Nigga, let him catch it. Man, that bitch is huge. I wasn't paying attention. I threw like 5 times, I didn't get hit. When I looked at fucking Woody to say I got one, I literally got hit. But don't throw it like that. We gonna get stuck. Damn, bro, that bitch is huge. I want to take your fish so bad. Back, buddy, bro. Y'all ain't catch no peacock today?
We did. Ilion caught like 6.
Big ass one again. At the other lake?
Oh. Yeah.
He bit you again?
Oh my goodness.
Where he at? Anthony got one.
Let me get me one.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Wait, come show the camera. I think it's a peacock. Come show the camera.
Bass, cuz. It's a bass. Look.
Show the camera.
Oh yeah.
Where he at, Ilion? Oh yeah. Look, take him off and look him for the camera.
Oh, bro, you fucking eat it.
Where he at? Where he at? Where he at? Where he at?
No, watch out, bro, watch out. Oh, bro. Deno, my dog Deno, yo. My dog, Will, stop being greedy, yo.
I only got one. You got 6. You the greedy one.
Chill. Why he got hit again? He got hit again.
Is it 2 down there or 1?
Nah, just 1. It's always here. That's how old it is. This thing does not move. Yo, if Will catches it, it's not my fault. Alright, send him.
Alright. If he catch him, I'm gonna punch him in shit. They come on?
Yup.
Hope they catch us too. I'm gonna deck your ass in shit.
And guess what's gonna happen? Put your on. Put your ass on. I'm getting your ass arrested. Let me see. Show the camera. Yeah.
Get him. Throw it like on the other side. Throw it on the other side. Now you this side. You throw it on this side, you throw it on that side. Just throw it right there.
Thank you, Bass.
Don't get stuck though. Oh my god, bro, he keeps hitting it.
Oh, he got him. He got him.
Got him. Here, Denim.
You
I would be mad as hell. I would be mad as hell. I would be mad as
I don't
hell.
think he's gonna bite it again now, bro.
What am I going?
It's the hook. It was the hook.
Nah, I ain't hooked him right, bro. I should have hit him with another. I don't think he's gonna be there again.
Damn, you know when you threw it over here, you had one, right?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh,
I did?
Yeah, you had one.
I know it was tripping, bro.
This is like literally the bad thing.
Bro, I was throwing. I'm like, yo, I got one, and then I think it popped
Don't
off.
throw it any grab. You gotta throw like right here. I'm gonna show you.
Like in front of it? Like there?
You gotta throw like that.
All right.
Throw it like that straight, like down that.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. I thought I had. I knew I wasn't tripping. I felt like I had one.
Yeah, I'm finna take that fish, Carl.
He felt big too.
Oh, you okay.
Wait, he bit it again?
Yeah.
I don't want him, bro.
Watch out, bro. Watch out.
Watch out, Elian.
You watch out.
Watch out, Elian.
Boy, watch out.
Hell nah, who is this nigga?
Y'all just watch out for it, bro. It's Denim shit.
Oh, big as shit. God damn.
Look at his eyes.
And then hard as fuck, bro. The gills and the mouth. Like connected.
Stop being a bitch.
Yo, chill. I'm on camera, chill.
Yeah, hold that bitch up, twin. You already
Let me see. Hold it to the camera. Hold it to this camera.
Put your head down, nigga. You're tall.
What?
Put your head down. There you go. Feel
Who
me?
you gonna give my dog some shit?
This shit.
Put that bitch up, bro.
Hold it to the camera a little bit more.
Let me take a picture of that one.
Come on, take me a flip. Take me a flip.
Got that way right. I told you, bro.
Hold it to the camera. Do the sideways thing to the.
Wanna give it to
Hold the
Chino
tail.
homeboy?
Nigga.
Anthony? Wanna give it to Chino homeboy? Just cause he gave me a hard time catching it?
Hey, Carl, why are you biting me, Carl?
Yeah,
Tighten
nigga.
up. Nigga, sticky.
Take a picture of
Take me
that
a
one.
flip, Carl.
Wait, what you about to get a Chino homeboy?
He eat him.
No, keep him there. He about to spawn. That's a girl, right?
Oh, he is coming.
That's a girl?
We
You ready? Hold on, let me record you releasing it. Get down.
All right, that might be the end of the video since Denim finally got one.
Hell yeah. Release that hoe, man.
Wait, let me get the water view. Let me get the water view.
Hurry up, bro.
Bro, relax, bro. Steady tripping. Hold on. Hold it. You gotta hold it. You gotta work it in.
Hold the tail on it.
Nigga slippery.
Put him in the water. And then hold his tail. Out of that. That's it, man.
My phone on.
All right, y'all, come help me with my outro. Come do the outro.
Oh, yeah.
All right, man.
Hey.
Sun setting, man. WD. How many fish on the board?
Only got one, sir. I'm still out there.
How many fish
know
on
I
the
had
board?
to pull out the 6, man.
You already know what I'm saying. We got 6. She got 6 on the board. I got 1 on the board. The boy over there, I might try to catch him. But this gonna be the end of the video, man. I'll let y'all know if I catch him.
That boy have a good one.